How to send money on Nationwide app. This will show you how to transfer money from Nationwide to another bank. So first of all, here, click on the payment section at the bottom left of the screen. Then click on Pay Someone. That should be towards the top where it says Pay or Move Money. There you click Pay Someone New. Then in the Pay Someone New section, you have to add in their details like their first name, last name, etc., their sort code and account number. Or you can click on business, then type in the business details. So depending on your situation, go ahead and do that. Afterwards, once you put in their details, you'll want to type in the amount of money you're going to send to them. So go ahead and type in that amount of money and then click on next. Then after that, you should see a section where it will confirm the details after you click Pay Now and Next. And you'll be able to see the person's details who you're sending it to, the amount, and then you can click on Pay Now. And then it will say here your payment has been sent. That's when you know it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.